Oh, I started because I thought Princess was about to come out. Princess? I thought he was about to come out. Sorry, that's why I started vlogging. Ooh.
Forward kind of a little slow. Good ass. Really is. This oil stuff.
Ooh, I like the plates. Expired by 3 years. 4 years almost. You're gonna take those off, right?
No.
You're gonna leave those on?
Should I? Not? You should take it off for sure.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, we're going to Chicago, so like that doesn't matter over there anyways.
We go through. You'll get all the bunch of tickets on your
red light camera.
We're passing red lights?
Yeah.
Guys, man, I can't be riding.
It's only this motherfucker that likes blowing red lights.
Oh,
just don't blow too many then.
Man, it's my first time riding.
Don't blow too many red lights, okay?
Just not all the red lights, just some of them.
When you gonna get one?
My girl said it might be under.
When you get a job.
You get a job soon.
So probably never, guys.
Yo, Joe, take my ruckus. Come with.
I mean, if I could just,
no.
if I could do this. That's what I told him. I literally told him. I was like, ask Dardan. Maybe he'll let you take his ruckus.
I literally will wholeheartedly let you take that shit.
No.
Come with us.
I'm about to go pick up my Nikki's garbage can and
Come
throw
with
the
us.
flooring away. No, I gotta throw my flooring away.
Pick up the garbage can with the ruckus, bro.
Don't you want to come with, bro? You got safety glasses. That's all you need. Probably get a helmet too, but Dardan will give you that helmet. Dardan doesn't need one.
Your caps, I mean your
How old is
drain
this?
plug is tight. 81.
Oh, yeah, it's tight.
Oh, that's clean. Older than all of us.
81.
That's clean though.
My guy's older than my grandma. This is why he wanted to wait for us to leave. He wanted to wait for us to leave so we didn't see him reversing out. Oh. He does not know. He really doesn't know how to reverse. I'm not taking it. Hey, we'll cut through here.
This is crazy. You see my spot right here?
You too.
Huh? What I got? Oh, my radiator just blew. I thought Mason stayed with you at least. My radiator just blew.
No way.
What? Swear to God, it's leaking right now. Come over here. You think it's bad? Not bad.
Oh yeah.
I gotta go, right? Take off.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Start going home.
Go home quick.
But just go at the same constant speed. Just
All right, Gonzito. Good luck.
yeah.
That was the last time we ever saw him. JK Alonso, miss you. See you later.
You guys ever like go in the city?
Hell yeah. We go in the city right now. Yeah, go now. Go quick. Go quick. Go quick. Go quick. Go. What are you doing? Go. What are you doing? Why are you going so slow? Straight. Straight. You know where we're going? Oh, we on Lakeshore, baby. Open road. Dardan's first time riding and he's on fucking Lakeshore Drive.
don't feel right following. It says do not follow.
Well, yeah, but we're like going the speed limit. Like, what are we supposed to do? Like, wait for him to... Don't Red Bull the red light, maybe. Should we pull up? Should we pull up right here? And it's pull up on the... Made it. Made it to the spot. Hashtag my city.
What happened?
We're just trying to figure out if we left blood in my sink.
Are you sure it has blood? Oh, okay. Ew. Nasty.
First I went to go take a shit. There was a brand new roll of toilet paper on there. I was like, what the fuck? Whatever. I go look in the garbage can. I'm like, oh, and then I see blood. I look up right there. I'm like, damn.
Yeah.
It's either Dardan or Andy.
Well, then blood on him. Oh my god. You're weird.
Get that fuck out of my face.